I'm not sure if I pronounce it right, but I think this is the name of this garden. There are three things which I always wanted to do when I have been to Hangzhou. First, I wanted to see the tidal bore at the Qiantang River, which I saw yesterday. But when you saw the video, you saw that I was at the wrong place, so the wave was just very small. But I saw it, so yeah, I think it's a check. And the second thing what I always want to do is to go to Suzhou, which is a city also very beautiful, famous for the gardens, and which is near Hangzhou, and it's easy to go there. And yeah, that's where I am at the moment. So I will check this today, and I will also show you the footage from Suzhou. And the third thing which I always wanted to do while I'm in Hangzhou is to go to Huangshan. So the Yellow Mountains, also yeah, not so hard to go there from Hangzhou with the bus, and that's what I will do tomorrow. So I will check all of the three things which I always wanted to do. So yeah, you will see it in the upcoming videos or in the video yesterday. So yeah, join me on this trip today in Suzhou, tomorrow at Huangshan, and yesterday at the Qiantang River. So let's start. Suzhou is famous for two things. One is gardens, and we are now in the garden, Zuoquanyuan. I'm not sure if I pronounce it right, but I think this is the name of this garden. And yeah, I think it's pretty beautiful. But as you can see down here, the lotus, yeah, there are no flowers anymore. So it's more beautiful if you maybe come earlier than September, maybe in August. Then yeah, you can also see the flowers. But the garden itself is still very beautiful, and yeah, you can see a lot of nice buildings, and also the plants are still very nice even if there are no flowers anymore. And the other thing which Suzhou is famous for is the canals. So it's also called something like the Venice of the East. And later on we will take a boat through the canals of Suzhou, and then I will show you how this looks like. So join us at the boat, and yeah, enjoy also the pictures of this garden. I really like the design of the bus stops here in Suzhou. So the first thing's already done. I've already visited Suzhou garden, and now we will take a boat through the canals of Suzhou. And yeah, I hope I will take some good footage and then show it to you. So let's enjoy the boat ride. After the boat ride, we went back to the area where you can walk along the water, where there are some shops on the left and the right side of the street, and where you can just chill at the evening in Suzhou. It had been a long and exhausting day, so when the sun set we decided to go back to Hangzhou, and as you will see in the next episode, there is more to come. We have to get up early again because tomorrow we will go to Huangshan.